Dear children, today we are going to see Unit 2 Prose Trip to my grandparents' village. In the story, Santosh is going to go to his grandparents' village and he going to spend the time there. So we shall see more about the village and also what the experience did Santosh is going to get there. Okay, let's carry on. In this picture, you're seeing beautiful scene of nature, fresh air, hospitable people, and a quiet life. All these things come to our mind when we think of the village. Here, you can enjoy the natural way of life in full resting from the city bustle. There is almost nothing artificial in these quiet areas. Here, you can see everything that nature can give you. There is something divine and mysterious in the village beauty. There is a satisfaction in the slower pace of days. So, children also enjoy more. So, they are living a true life there, not like us. Let us step into the lesson trip to my grandparents' village. It is summer. Santosh vacation has started. His parents are going to Sirumalai, his parents' village. Santosh is excited. He records an audio diary on his mother's phone. He records all his feelings during the visit. Later, he writes down in his diary what he had recorded. Let's read his diary to know his experience during the visit. Summer means first we will think about the vacation holidays and also we plan to go to the native place. Same as like Santosh family also planned to go to the native place. It is in Sirumalai. So there Santosh grandparents are living and so they are going to visit to see them. Here Santosh is excited to see them. So he started preparing to go there. And also he is recording all his experience during this visit. So shall we also have a great experience with Santosh? Shall we? Come on, let us start to read his experience on 10th April. I am very eager to visit my grandparents' village. I will meet my grandparents and cousins. I have packed my clothes and tab for playing video games. We will travel in a bus. I am so excited. Here Santosh was excited because he was going to meet his grandparents and cousins. Okay, and for that he was packing all his clothes and tab for playing video games there. Next we are going to see the experience on 11th April. Today we are traveling. Though it is summer, the weather is pleasant in the morning. There is a numerous trees with yellow flowers on the both side of the road. There is a greenery all around. There are many white cranes in the lush green paddy field. The scarecrows have managed to scare away the crows in the field. There is no traffic, noise, and air pollution in the village. So, in village side and all, you can see more trees. That is numerous trees and also colorful flowers in the both the side of the roads. And also, it will be very greenery all around, and also in the pond, we can see many white cranes and lush green paddy fields. You all know the scarecrows? Yes, they will have in the field to make the crows scare away from the field. So it will not damage anything else there. We can also protect the field by the scarecrows by keeping it there. In the village, we cannot have noisy field and all, so there will be no traffic and also noise pollution or air pollution. It will be very pleasant in the village. See this image how it is. Yes, it's very lovely to look because we all love fruits very much, and also all the plants are very greenish. This all we can see only in the village side. Okay, I got off the bus and ran to meet my grandparents. They are delighted to see me. The house is surrounded by many big trees. There are a few jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate, and coconut trees. The trees have abundant fruits. My grandfather has plucked some ripe mangoes for me. The mangoes are so juicy and sweet. After Santosh was getting off the bus, he ran near to meet his grandparents. They was very delighted to see him. His grandparents' house was surrounded by many big trees. There we can see jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate, and coconut trees. And the trees have abundant fruits. So many abundant means so many fruits are there. In that, grandfather has plucked some ripe mangoes for him, and also he made pieces to have it. The mangoes are so juicy and sweet to eat. So Santosh had enjoyed to have the fruits there. Let us see what happens on 12th April. I have woken up early today. I am out for a walk in the morning. The cool breeze is pleasing. The coconut palms are waving lazily. The farmers are already in their fields. Some of them are cutting the crops and some of them are threshing the paddy. The air is filled with the sweet sound of birds singing in the trees and the bushes. The cuckoo's song is perhaps the most enchanting. On that day, 12th April, Santosh woke up early and also he had a walk in the morning and he was feeling the breeze. It was very pleasant, cool breeze, so it was very pleasant for him. The coconut tree was very lazy in the moving, and also the farmers are already in their work and they are cutting the crops and threshing the paddy. Threshing means to separate the grains or corn, rice, etc. from the rest of the plant using a machine or especially in the past by hitting it with a special tool. Okay. The air is also filled with sweet sound of birds. The birds and all used to sing and in the morning, and also the cuckoo sound is very pleasant to hear. So next, I came home, I freshened up and ate the tastiest breakfast in my life. Later, my grandmother introduced a girl, Pavai. She goes to the village school. She lives down the street. She very eager to show me around the village. Pavai shows me how to play with a tire and a stick. We happily run down the lane balancing the tire with a small stick. We stop to talk to Pavai's friends Amir, Peter, and Umayal. Santosh finished his morning walk and returned to his room. After that, he had freshened up and he ate the tastiest food that he ever had before. Later, his grandmother introduced Pavai to Santosh. Pavi was studying in the village school and she was very interested to show Santosh all around the village. She taught him how to play with a tire and a small stick. After that, she introduced her friends to Santosh. Her friend's name was Amir, Peter, and Umayal. All children here to have their summer vacation. Amir is helping his father in milking their cows. He lets me pat his black calf. Peter and Umayal are sitting with their grandmother breaking groundnut pods and peeling them neatly. Later, they will take the nuts to the village market to sell them. I help them for some time. Here, in village also, the children had summer vacation. So Pavai's friends also enjoying the holidays happily. In this meantime, they all do some help to their parents. Amir helps his father in milking their cow. Peter and Umayal also help their grandmother by breaking groundnut pods and separating them neatly. After finishing all this, they used to take the nuts to the village market for sale. Santosh also helped them for some time. Whenever he gets the time, he also go there and he did some help to them. Children, can you see this picture? In this picture, you are seeing that two boys are climbing up on the terminant tree, and also girls are hiding behind the banyan tree. See, two ladies are standing there, and one boy was sitting near the rock, and two boys are playing in the water. So these scenes and all we can see only in the village side. Okay, we are going to see next about this only, shall we? Let us see what happens on 13th April. Pavi takes me to the village pond. There are many children splashing around in the pond. Some boys are climbing to the top of the tall tamarind tree. The girls are playing hide and seek near the big banyan tree. My mother and my aunties take me to the river for a refreshing bath. I play for some time in the cool water, but I cannot swim. So I sit on a big smooth rock and watch my friends swim like an experts. They talk and laugh a lot as they wash their clothes and dry their hair in the sun. The river is so clean that I can see the pebbles in the river bed and colorful fish swim by. I love the scenery. Yes, in village side and all, people used to go to the pond or river side for bath, or else they used to wash their clothes. And same happens here also. And also children will play games like hide and seek and by climbing up the trees, and they also love to swim in the pond. Next, Santosh mother and aunties take him to the river for a refreshing bath. Santosh played in cool water for some time, but he cannot swim. So he sat on a big smooth rock which was nearby him and watched his friends. They were swimming like an experts. They also washed their clothes and dried their hair in the sun. The river water was very clean. So Santosh saw pebbles and colorful fish swimming in the river bed. He loves the scenery very much. Let us see what happens on 14th April. We are back to our home in the city. The trip to our grandparents' home was so enjoyable. Those 2 days flew by so fast. I realized that during this day I had neither watched television nor played video games. I am eagerly looking forward to our next visit. Okay, now we can see the explanation. Now, Santosh family had returned to their home back. Their trip was so enjoyable and they doesn't know how 2 days has been passed. While in the village, Santosh never watched television nor played video games. In such a way, Santosh enjoyed his time in the village. And also, he was eagerly waiting for the next vacation to visit his grandparents' village. So let us see the glossary for this unit. Bullock cart, a vehicle with 2 or 4 wheels driven by bulls. 2 அல்லது 4 சக்கரங்கள் கொண்டு இந்த வண்டியை இயக்குவது. அதாவது காளைகளை வச்சு வண்டியை ஓட்டுவாங்க. ஸோ அதுதான் புல்லக் கார்ட் சொல்லுவோம். ப்ளவ், டேர்ன் அப் எர்த் இன் வித் அ ப்ளவ். டேர்ன் அப் எர்த் வித் அ ப்ளவ்னா என்னதுன்னா ஒரு கலப்பையை கொண்டு பூமியை கிளறுதல். மண்ணை கிளறி விட்டு அதுக்கப்புறமா அந்த சீட்ஸ்லாம் போடுவாங்க, தானியங்களை போடுவாங்க. ஸோ தட் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் ப்ளவ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஸ்கேர்க்ரோ, a figure made to look like a person and put in a field to frighten birds away. ஸோ ஸ்கேர்க்ரோ மீன்ஸ் என்னென்னா ஒரு நபரை போல் தோற்றமளிக்கும். அது என்னென்னா அந்த பறவைகளை பயமுறுத்தும். ஒரு ஆள் அங்கே நிற்கிறாங்க அப்படின்ற பயத்தில் அது அங்கே கிட்ட வராது. தட்ஸ் அ திங். ஸோ லெட் அஸ் see next glossary. Grains, wheat or other cultivated cereals used as food. கோதுமை அல்லது பிற தானியங்கள் உணவாக பயன்படுத்தப்படுகிறது அல்லவா, அதுதான் கிரெயின்ஸ்ன்றோம். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஹார்மர், த மெட்டல் கவர் வாண்ட் டு ப்ரொடெக்ட் த பாடி இன் பேட்டில். ஸோ போரில் உடலை பாதுகாக்கிறதுக்காக ஒரு உலகத்தால் செய்யப்பட்ட உரை. பிபிள், நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் அ கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்டோன், இது அது ஒரு வகையான கல், பார்க்க மினுமினுப்பாக இருக்கும். So children, you all enjoyed this video very much, I think so. Beautiful scene of the nature, fresh air, hospitable people, and quiet life, all these things comes to our mind when we think of the village, isn't it? So I will catch you all in the next video. Okay, bye.